Hey, Crypto Guru Pro family. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting tools for crypto enthusiasts in 2025, crypto trading bots. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the market or someone who wants to automate their trades, these bots can save you time, reduce stress, and potentially boost your profits. Let's explore the best platforms and bots for beginners, focusing on ease of use, features, and what makes each one stand out. Crypto trading bots are automated tools that execute trades for you based on preset strategies or market conditions. They're perfect for beginners because they take the guesswork out of trading and allow you to learn while earning. But not all bots are created equal, so let's break down the best platforms for 2025. 1. BingX, the copy trading king. If you're new to crypto, BingX is a fantastic starting point. Its copy trading feature allows you to mimic the strategies of successful traders, making it ideal for beginners who want to learn while earning. Why BingX? Copy trading, follow experienced traders and replicate their strategies. Low fees, competitive fees make it beginner-friendly. Bot integration, works seamlessly with bots like 3commas and CryptoHopper. Drawbacks, limited advanced tools for pro traders. My take. BingX is perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach to trading. The copy trading feature is a game-changer for learning and earning simultaneously. 2. Bybit, advanced yet accessible. Bybit is a trusted name in crypto trading and offers tools that cater to both beginners and advanced users. Its grid trading bot is particularly beginner-friendly, helping you profit from market fluctuations. Why Bybit? Grid trading bots automate trades to buy low and sell high within a set range. High liquidity ensures smooth trading even during volatile markets. Bot compatibility integrates with platforms like MexC and Bitsgap. Drawbacks? Slightly more complex interface for absolute beginners. My take? Bybit is a great platform to grow with. Start with simple tools like the grid bot and explore more advanced features as you gain confidence. 3. KuCoin, built-in bots for free. KuCoin is a favorite among traders for its free built-in trading bots. Whether you're looking to dollar cost average, DCA, or use grid trading, KuCoin has you covered. Why KuCoin? Free bots, no extra cost to use their built-in bots. Wide coin selection, trade a massive variety of cryptocurrencies. Low fees, keeps your trading costs low. Drawbacks. The interface can feel overwhelming at first. My take. KuCoin is perfect for beginners who want to experiment with different strategies without spending extra on bot subscriptions. 4. MexC, the underrated gem. MexC might not be as well known as others, but it's a hidden gem for automated trading. It supports a wide range of tokens and integrates with popular bots. Why MexC? Bot integration works with platforms like MexC and 3commas. Promotions, frequent zero-fee trading events. Altcoin variety, great for exploring lesser-known coins. Drawbacks, still building its reputation compared to bigger names. My take, if you're looking for a platform to explore altcoins and experiment with bots, MexC is a solid choice. How to choose the right platform? Here's how to pick the best platform for you. Ease of use, start with platforms like BingX or KuCoin that are beginner-friendly. Fees, look for low trading fees to maximize your profits. Features, choose a platform with tools that match your trading goals like copy trading or grid bots. Automated trading is the future, and 2025 is the perfect time to get started. Whether you choose BingX, Bybit, KuCoin, or MexC, each platform offers unique tools to help you succeed. Ready to start your journey? Check out the links in the description and comments below to sign up for these platforms. Many of them offer bonuses for new users, so don't miss out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Crypto Guru Pro for more tips, strategies, and reviews. Let me know in the comments which platform or bot you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy trading.